Welcome, dear friends, to this calming journey towards better sleep. As we set sail into the tranquil waters of relaxation, let's take a moment to acknowledge the purpose of our voyage. We are here to learn and practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique, a simple yet powerful tool for promoting better sleep and reducing stress. In our everyday lives, we often overlook the importance of a calm environment and mindful breathing. But today, we will take a step back from our bustling routines and immerse ourselves in a serene atmosphere. This technique, rooted in the ancient practice of pranayama, is a gift for our well-being, enhancing our sleep quality and overall tranquility. So, dear friends, as we embark on this journey, ensure you are in a comfortable space where you can fully embrace the experience. Prepare yourself to enter a state of tranquility as we guide you through the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Before we begin, make sure you are in a comfortable position. It could be sitting in your favorite chair, lounging on the sofa, or lying down on your bed. The goal here is to find a place where your body feels supported and at ease. Now gently allow your eyelids to fall, blocking out the external world around you. Take a moment to focus on your body. Are there any areas holding tension? Perhaps in your shoulders, your jaw, or your hands? Consciously choose to release that tension. Imagine it melting away, leaving your muscles relaxed and supple. Encourage each muscle in your body to fully relax. Starting from the top of your head, flowing down to your toes. Let yourself sink deeper into the support beneath you. Feel the tension leaving your body as you prepare to embark on this journey of relaxation. Now we will introduce the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This method is quite simple, yet its power should not be underestimated. It's a breathing pattern developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, based on an ancient yogic technique known as pranayama. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a natural tranquilizer for your nervous system, helping to reduce stress and anxiety, and can also help you drift off into a peaceful sleep. Let's break down the technique in detail. As the name suggests, it consists of 3 main steps. Firstly, you'll inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs and expanding your diaphragm. This step is all about taking in new fresh energy. Secondly, you'll hold your breath for a count of 7 seconds. During this pause, try to keep your mind focused on the count, while your body absorbs the oxygen from the air you've just inhaled. Lastly, you'll exhale completely through your mouth, making a soft whoosh sound for a count of 8 seconds. Feel the warmth of the air leaving your body, carrying with it any tension or stress. This step is about releasing and letting go. It's important to stress that the absolute time you spend on each phase is not as important as the ratio of 4-7-8. So, if you can't hold your breath for a full 7 seconds or exhale for 8, that's okay, just make sure to maintain the ratio. In other words, if you inhale for 2 seconds, hold your breath for 3.5 and exhale for 4 seconds. Remember, this technique is not about rushing or straining, it's about finding a rhythm that feels comfortable and soothing for you. With practice, you'll be able to extend the duration of each breath, enhancing the calming effects of this technique. Remember, the key to this technique is maintaining this breathing pattern. Over time, this simple yet effective method can become a powerful tool in your relaxation toolbox, helping you to calm your mind, relax your body, and achieve a better night's sleep. With the understanding of the 4-7-8 technique, now we will practice together. Let's begin. Find a peaceful rhythm, a quiet cadence that suits you. Your focus is your breath. It's the gentle ebb and flow, the rising and falling of your chest. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding them slowly, and then leaving them in a smooth, unhurried release. Now imagine the numbers 4, 7, and 8. Picture them in your mind. They're not just numbers, they're your guide to a tranquil state of being. They represent the rhythm of your breath, the inhale, the hold, and the exhale. Let's start with the number 4. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, traveling down your throat, filling your lungs. Envision the oxygen spreading throughout your body, energizing every cell. Next, hold that breath. The number 7 is your guide here. Hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the stillness within you, the pause between the inhale and the exhale. It's a moment of quiet, a moment for your body to absorb the oxygen, to rejuvenate. Finally, the number 8. Release the breath slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel the warmth of the air as it leaves your body, taking with it the tension and the stress. You're not just breathing out, you're also releasing, letting go. This is the rhythm of the 4-7-8 breathing technique. The inhale, the hold, the exhale, 4, 7, 8. It's a calming rhythm, a soothing pattern. It's your body's lullaby, a gentle song that lulls you into a peaceful state of relaxation. Let's continue with this rhythm. Breathe in for 4, hold for 7, and breathe out for 8. Inhale, hold, exhale, 4, 7, 8. Each cycle is a step closer to tranquility, a step closer to a serene state of mind. Remember, your breath is not just a breath. It's a tool for relaxation, a key to unlock a state of calm. It's a bridge between your body and your mind, a connection that helps you find balance, peace, and tranquility. Continue with this rhythm. Inhale, hold, exhale, 4, 7, 8. Feel your body relaxing, your mind quieting. You're in a state of pure being, a state of tranquility. Feel how each breath brings you closer to a state of calm and relaxation. As we continue, let your body and mind immerse in this rhythm of tranquility. Allow yourself to surrender to the soft ebb and flow of your breath, like the gentle waves of a serene ocean, washing upon the shore, then receding, only to return again with the same calming rhythm. You are now well versed in the 4-7-8 breathing technique. 4 counts as you inhale, holding your breath for a span of 7, and then a slow, soothing exhalation for 8 counts. This rhythm is your anchor, your guiding light towards a state of peace and serenity. As you inhale, imagine drawing in tranquility and calm, filling your body with every count. Feel it seep into your muscles, your bones, your very essence. Hold on to this tranquility for 7 counts, letting it permeate every corner of your being. Then, as you exhale, imagine releasing all tension, all stress, all that does not serve your journey into restful slumber. The rhythm of 4-7-8 is more than just a breathing pattern. It is a mantra, a rhythmic lullaby that guides your mind away from the distractions of the day towards a peaceful repose. It's a gentle reminder that in this moment, all you need to do is breathe and be. With every cycle of breath, allow yourself to descend deeper into this peaceful state. Feel how each cycle strengthens your connection to tranquility, to peace, to rest. You are not just practicing a breathing technique, you are cultivating a sanctuary within yourself, a haven of calm and serenity where you can retreat to anytime you need. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to breathe. There is only your way, your rhythm, your peace. Let the 4-7-8 rhythm guide you, but do not let it constrain you. Listen to your body, to your breath. Let them guide you towards your unique rhythm of tranquility. Let this peace wash over you, soothing you into a state of deep relaxation. As we approach the end of our session, remember this feeling of calm, the gentle ebb and flow of your breath, the peaceful rhythm of your heart, the quiet hum of your thoughts. This is the power of the 4-7-8 breathing technique, a simple yet profound method to invite tranquility into your life. It's not just about falling asleep faster, but also about creating a space of serenity in your waking hours. Your breath, your rhythm, your peace. It's always there, waiting for you to tap into it. Remember, the benefits of this practice grow with consistency. Each day, take a few moments to sit, breathe, and be. Each night, let this technique guide you into the arms of Morpheus. As we close this session, remember that the journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Carry this tranquility with you as you drift into a peaceful, restful sleep. Good night.